Grabe ang ginawa ni Poy Poy Yaktub, nagwala sa fourth quarter, ayaw din magmintes sa tres at sistemado na rin gumalaw. Balik aksyon na rin sa binyan si Pinoy Sakuragi Mark Pingris, nagparamdam din ng lakas sa poste. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video at i-follow ang ating Facebook.
Poy Alves drives right, nakawala sa depensa.
Mismatch. Good
Kick out.
step.
Lasco open free,
Yeah.
knocks it down. Lasco, another attempt at a
Yeah.
free. He is speed.
Actually making that first three earlier.
Sunga forcing his way in. Ito may difficult situation there.
Another one incoming.
Libre na naman at pasok na naman. Corva active hands. Poy Alves tries a jumper and he will.
Ang laki ng ginaan. Yung kilos niya iba talaga eh.
Kurt Papua baseline drive. Ryan Lakap tries another free. This time he hit.
Come up.
Inaatake nila si Kurt Papua.
Pero nakatulong si Danny.
Mike
And,
Mabula with a
sayang, ibang klaseng kilos na yun.
Roca Corva sidestep beauty on rebound.
Oh man.
Roca Corva short rebound by Danny Marilao. Quickly ahead. Marjun Wahing has one guy to beat. Lays it up and in over Carter for Mabula. Tatakbo na naman si Kurt Papua. Gives it up. Danny Marilao dinakot.
Oh.
Aniban nasa loob. Uy, nahanap si Danny.
Reach middle of the lane. Pero I don't think that was a travel. Watch out.
Poy Poy taking off. But there to stick it back.
Manood sa 1x Sports ng kahit anong basketball live broadcast gamit ang ating promo code na Notch. I-scan mo lamang ang ating QR code.
To be a given para dito sa Peña.
Bam Lopez. Entry pass. Bonifacio stepping in. And
With another team, no?
oh,
Depende sa magiging end up na
trade window. So not enough time for him to fully
Yes.
acclimate himself with that power forward position more. Kasi sa Pasay, as you see, Alex Desoy out with Pamboy Raimundo. Raimundo settles for an outside shot.
Good
It's
shot.
immediately. Can't get it to go, however. Roca Corva nakatakas. Naipasa ni Mabula kay J-Mar Gimbayan who lays it up. Roca Corva, shot fake. Attacks using his offhand.
supportive dad to Kyle.
Ito si Mike, batang-bata pa. Lays it up and in.
Nanonood sila ngayon. At gusto raw niya i-surprise na nabati siya. Average 8 minutes in those games for mga weakness nila in the early season just so they understand ano yung magiging adjust. Oh!
Pilastimosa. Poy Poy. Give it
Nice.
go with J-Mar Gimpayan. Lays it up and in.
Wow! Grabe yung shooting, ha?
Pagod din yung kit eh.
Oo.
Sa nakakagana yan eh.
Totoo.
Poy Poy. Galing sa tres. Yes.
Boy. Here
Bola na agaw. Dick na Dise. Kakapasok lang. Using his...
would love to go post. Remember I said about the post being one of the toughest part to score. But if you have a guy like Mark Pinglis,
Seed naman sila the following year. Nakalaban nila Rizal who was surging then.
45 AM there. Close friend of mine, Edwin Panganiban. This guy used to play for San Sebastian. And a slam right there.
Secure this victory over Sarangani.